Hello everybody, in this video I will teach you how to add or subtract rational expressions. Before we go to our topic, we need to remember how to add fractions. In easy questions, when we add fractions, sometimes we have same denominator. When we have same denominator or common denominator, we put this denominator. So this is 10, this is 10, so the denominator will be 10. Then we add 3 plus 2 is 5. If you can go and simplify this, 5 divided by 10, when we divide by 5 up and down, this will give us 1 over 2. So here we have same denominators, so we put this denominators. Then we add, what's x plus x? It's 2x. Then negative 4y plus y, it's negative 3y. If you can simplify, you simplify. We know how to simplify. If we have common factor, we factorize, then we cancel the common factor. Here we have same idea. It's 6y, then we add x plus x is 2x, then 2y plus 4y is 6y. You cannot cross this. It's not allowed to cross apart from this expression. Okay, so if we have factors, we simplify. You can see that we can divide all of this by 2, so this will give us x plus 3y over 3y. Because you can take 2 as a common factor, this will leave x plus 3y, and we can take 2 or divide the 6 to 2 and 3y. Now we can cancel this 2 with this 2, and this will be the remainder. Same idea. Here we have, let's go to the one step to get the common denominator. Sometimes, as you see, if we are adding two fractions, the denominators are not the same, but we can make them equal. When we multiply this by 2 up and down, this will be 6. Now we have same denominator, we put this denominator, then we add, this is 2 plus 1 is 3. Can you simplify? If you can simplify, you do. It's 1 over 2. Like this example, number 5. We have 2v, so we need this denominator to have the same expression or factor. So we multiply up and down by this. Now do we have same denominators? Now we have same denominator. We put this denominator to v, 3v plus 2. Before you add, you need to expand this 12v squared plus 8v. Now we add 12v squared plus 8v plus 2. You don't have to expand this, it's up to you. You can expand this, especially if you have MCQ. So you need to get the right answer as the choices, but you can leave it without expanding. The type number 3, when we have different denominators, we cannot make them equal in one step, but we can multiply this by 3, this will be 6, multiply 2, this will be 6. Now we have 2 over 6 and 3 over 6. We add, this will be 5 over 6. Exactly here, we can multiply by 2v minus 3, 2v minus 3, and we multiply this by v minus 4, v minus 4. Now we have common denominator. You need to expand this. This is 4v minus 6, and this is, when we expand this will be v squared, then minus 4v, then minus 4v again, so it's minus 8v, then plus 16. Now you can add v squared. 4v minus 8v is negative 4v. Then 6, negative 6 plus 16 is positive 10. Again, you can expand or you can leave it. If you can factorize this to get common factor and you cancel, go and factorize. This one, you need to multiply up and down by m plus 1, m plus 1, m minus 3, m minus 3. You expand and simplify. Here you multiply r minus 3, r minus 3, and this multiplied by 3 up and down. You cannot subtract, you cannot say I will write r minus 3, r minus 3 and r minus 2. It's not by adding or subtracting, it's by multiplying. Same idea. Now if we have this, you can say that we will multiply this by 6 and this by 8. You will get the same answer, but you will need to simplify the final step. But here we can get the lowest common denominator or the least common denominator. They meet at 24 before they meet at 48. So to know this, you need to factorize. This is 2 times 4 and this is 2 times 3. Now this 8 is 2 times 4 and this 6 is 2 times 3. We can add this 3 here, so to multiply by 3, multiply by 3. Now it has 2, 4, 3. Multiply here by 4, now it has 2, 3, 4. Multiply by 4. So when we factorize, we know the least common denominator. This is 24 and this is 24. Now the answer will be 7 over 24. For example, how to add this? Here you believe that we cannot multiply by all of this expression, quadratic expression. So we do the following. We factorize. How to factorize this? We have 6, negative 2, negative 3, because when we add this will give us negative 5, x minus 2, x minus 3. And this one is x minus 3, x plus 3. Why? Because we have difference between two squares. We open two brackets and divide the x squared to x and x, and the 9 to 3 and 3. Negative, negative, and positive. Now you can see that we are missing in this x minus 2, x minus 3. We have extra here, x plus 3. So we need to add x plus 3 up and down. Here we have x minus 3, x plus 2. We need x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2. Now we have same denominator. Put the same denominator with any order of the brackets. It's okay. Just expand this. 2x squared plus 6x, 5x minus 10. 2x squared, 6x plus 5x is 11x. Then negative 10. And put that x minus 2, x minus 3, x plus 3. This is everything about how to add. We have 4 types of adding, subtracting rational expressions. If you need to remember how to multiply or divide, this is for the lesson 1. Multiply or divide. This is multiplication. You need to factorize. When you factorize, you can get the same denominator. Okay, first we can cancel all of this with all of this. The answer will be 3 over 2a squared. If you cannot cancel, if you have nothing to cancel, by the way, you cannot cancel this with this or this with this. It's wrong. You need to factorize. This is already factored. We can factor this by 3. 3 as a common factor. This will leave n minus 1. How to factorize this? This 2 is negative 1 and negative 2, negative 1, negative 2, and n. Now, can you can you simplify? We can cancel this n minus 1 with n minus 1. We can cancel this 3 with this 3. Okay, this will leave us with n plus 1 over n minus 2. If it was division, as we said in the first video, is if it was division, we keep the first, change this to be multiplication if it's division, and flip this, and you simplify.